again, find Woodworking live, time to fly to Massachusetts and, well, have a great time. So I've got the bags here, I've got a little side table here in a box, and let's get to the airport and get to Massachusetts. I landed in Boston about, I don't know, an hour and a half ago or so, and right now I'm in the car on the 95, which is next to the 93 just south of Boston, and I thought, why not go through Rhode Island into Connecticut, see some family members, and then head up to the show tomorrow. And I have this hotel I booked right on Long Island Sound, right on the water, hopefully a beautiful room overlooking the Sound. Alright, so I'm back from spending some time with my family. I'm in the hotel room right now, and what I want to do is I want to show you the things I'm going to have in the booth. So let's check it out. Okay, so this right here, this is kind of like a pop-up or something that's going to be in the side of the booth probably, where people can walk around and it'll hopefully catch their attention to want to come in and talk to me. So I'll be standing up next to my little table. I have this box here. What I did was I printed a whole bunch of new cards to stand up. So basically, I did 8x10s of every single class in the school. Project, a picture of it, some of the bullet points of what happens in the class itself. So the sharpening station, the hand tool cabinet, the planes, the screwdrivers, and then the furniture projects like the Scotch cabinet, the Nakashima dining table, the Nakashima-inspired coffee table, the Nakashima-inspired side table, the Gamble House rocking chair, just like that, the living room armchair from the Gamble House, as well as the little side table I have that's inspired from the side table in the Gamble House, and the coffee table. These little easel backs, like this, they're going to, this little piece comes off, they attach, they bend, and then it just kind of leans up like this on the top of the table. And I've got one more, the show special one. So it's larger. I'm hoping that, you know, this is going to be really large on the table. This will be the most largest item next to this, and then these will be a little bit smaller. So I'm hoping this will be kind of like in the center. These will be flanking it, and that'll catch people's eye. And you'll see that there's a show special on the yearly membership. This is what you get, early access to everything, step by step, blah blah blah. Regular price is $150, and for the show it's $100 with this coupon code FWW Live. Now I also brought with me, but it's in the car because I didn't want to unpack it, repack it. I didn't want to risk something, is this guy here. So I brought this to the show. It's going to be in the booth as well. Alright, well that's it for today. I had a really fun day. It was great being able to see my family, and it was really cool being in 4 states in one day and driving through 3 of them up here in New England, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, then into Connecticut. So I'm really looking forward to tomorrow as well, and driving from here up into Mass again. So anyways, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and of course subscribe to the channel. That'd be really appreciated, and share it with your friends. If you're watching this on Facebook, hit the like button, share in your timeline, and head over to the MM Woodstudio page and like us there as well. And as always, have a great week in your shop.